Alright, here we go. Um, alright, we're gonna first do the speed, distance, time questions. We've got the girl, well, I'll give you three examples. One figuring out the speed, one figuring out the distance, and one figuring out the time. Uh, yeah, the speed, distance, and time as unknown values. Now, for the girl cycles for 5 hours at a speed of 10 kilometers per hour, what distance does she travel? Now, we first state the values that we are looking for. The distance is what we're looking for. So D, we are finding distance. We are finding the distance value. And what values do we know? Well, let's just go through all of them. So there's three values, and distance equals question mark. That's because the one that we're finding. And speed equals 10 kilometers per hour, while time equals 5 hours. Now, with the formula up here, the triangle, we just have to cover up the D, and we we times the bottom two together. So we've got 5s times t. Alright, so distance equals speed over times time. Sorry, and that's our formula. Alright, so make sure you write like as much information as you can down to get full marks. Alright, and so we're just filling the value. I'll just write d for distance equals speed, which is 10 times 5. Now, this is pretty simple. So 10 times 5, d equals 50. Now, that's not the answer there. We have to make sure you complete the whole question. All right. So this d equals 50 means nothing to the person, or to me. Yeah. And the value we need to find is distance. So we have to write in words the distance the girl cycles is 50 kilometers. And there you go. That's a full marked question there, 100%. And yeah, and now we'll just do this example for a couple other questions. And here, the bus travels at 10 kilometers per hour and travels a distance of 100 kilometers. How long did it take for the train to complete its journey? Now, what we're looking for here, we're looking for time now. We are, oops, I will make this red again. We are finding time. Now, time, very simple. For here, we just have to find a formula. Actually, we'll just state all the values we know. So we know distance equals 100 kilometers. Speed equals 10 kilometers per hour. While we're looking for time, so that's the value we do not know. And time here, we just have to cover up the t. Now, but if we cover that up, I can't really do that. Sorry. By covering that up, we divide. It's d divided by 5. S, I mean d divided by s. See how the d is above the s, and that is the formula. So t time equals distance divided by speed. Now we're just going to fill in the values with the ones we know. So t is the unknown value, and distance is 100, and with speed it's 10. So the time equals 10. Now that is 10 hours, simply because it's kilometers per hour. That's the time value we use. If it was kilometers per minute, it'd be 10 minutes. Simple, right? So there we go. Let's change those around. Now we'll just do another example. This may become pretty repetitive, but it's pretty important. And with this, a person travels a distance of 100 kilometers in 10 hours. We probably could do this in our head, but we still have to show working. What speed did it travel? Now we are finding speed. We are finding speed. And the values we know, sorry about this, is distance equals 100 kilometers, once again, and speed equals question mark, because that's the one we're finding, and time equals hours. Now, To the formula triangle again, we are looking for speed, so we cover up the S with our hand, I guess, just do that, and so it becomes D, which is above the T, so speed equals distance over time. So let's just write that, speed equals distance over time. Very simple. And now we just have to fill in the values with the ones we know. So S equals 100 kilometers, that's for distance, and divided by, oh, I only put hours, what the hell? 10 hours. 10 hours. And then speed equals 10. And now it's kilometers per hour, very simple. But for example, if this was miles, and that was minutes, this would become miles per minute. Very simple, that's just the value at the end.